This is a 1949 Royal Era typewriter. It's been refurbished and repainted a beautiful satin aqua color. Everything works as it should, and it's ready to type. This Royal Era typewriter been repainted a nice aqua color. Has a beautiful glass keys. The number 6 key is a little scratched. You can see a few places in the paint where the underlying paint had some nicks in it. Don't know if this will show up on the video, but there's a spot on the lid here. Just a little spot there. This is very similar to the Quiet Deluxe model. Only the magic margin is only on the left margin. The right hand margin is a manual. And it does not have the tabs of the Quiet Deluxe. This typewriter also comes with its original case, which does show a good bit of wear. It's been cleaned and it's solid and latches well. It does have paint on the handle there. Quite a few spots. This is for the 1949 Royal Era